This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing 2 Gmail accounts and making sure Bgmi is installed on your device. This is essential. Once done, sign into Bgmi with your primary Gmail and confirm Cloud Save is active. This keeps progress safe. Next, sign out of Play Games only if you see an offer tied to another Gmail. Do not remove the app. Make sure you know the alternate Gmail credentials. These first steps prevent data loss and let you test the other Gmail offer quickly. You now switch accounts inside the Play Store to the alternate Gmail. This aligns purchases and offers. After switching, open Bgmi and select Google Sign-In. Choose the alternate email when prompted. The game will check for linked offers, so accept any permission and prompt immediately. Delays can cancel the claim. If an offer appears, tap Redeem or Claim and follow the short confirmation steps. This method works because Bgmi reads the Play account at sign-in. You finish by confirming the reward in your in-game inventory. Once visible, you're done. If the item does not appear, restart Bgmi and check again. Sometimes a quick relaunch completes delivery. If that fails, clear the app cache or sign out and back in with both Gmail accounts. This refreshes cloud data. As a troubleshooting tip, if issues persist, capture the error text and send it to Bgmi support with both account ID. That speeds resolution and protects your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.